Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 iPhone 16 Pro Max cases in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading iPhone 16 Pro Max case that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The ESR Halo Lock Clear Case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This case promises top-notch protection and seamless MagSafe compatibility. Let's dive into the details. This case is exclusively designed for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It maintains full functionality with precise speaker and port cutouts and easy press buttons, ensuring a perfect fit. The built-in magnets offer 1,500 G of holding force. This ensures faster, easier wireless charging and a secure lock on any MagSafe accessory, making your life more convenient. Rigorously tested for total protection, this case features air guard corners that absorb shock. You can trust it to keep your phone safe from accidental drops and impacts. With raised screen edges and a camera guard lens frame, this case provides enhanced scratch protection. Your iPhone 16 Pro Max stays pristine and scratch-free. The crystal-clear acrylic back is scratch-resistant, letting you show off your iPhone's sleek look. It's perfect for those who love to keep their phone's original design visible. In conclusion, the ESR Halo Lock Clear Case offers excellent protection and functionality for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you want a reliable, stylish case, this one's a great choice. Number 4. The Miracase Magnetic for iPhone 16 Pro Max Case. This full-body bumper case is packed with features, including a built-in glass screen protector and camera protector. The Miracase comes with a built-in 9H glass screen protector. It shields your phone from scratches and cracks while maintaining a sensitive touch experience. No more bubbles or touch issues. This case features an upgraded third-generation magnet ring, making it fully compatible with MagSafe accessories. Enjoy faster, easier, and safer wireless charging without worrying about disconnections. Tested for 8,000 drops, this case offers military-grade protection. Dual layers and cushioned corners ensure your phone stays safe from drops and falls, while the 9H tempered glass camera protectors keep your lens secure. The diamond-hard clear back showcases your iPhone's true color, staying as clear as day one. No yellowing over time, so your phone always looks fresh and new. In conclusion, the Miracase Magnetic for iPhone 16 Pro Max case is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for robust protection and seamless MagSafe compatibility. Number 3. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's dive into its features and see if it's worth your money. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit is crafted from a premium blend of PC and TPU. This combination ensures durability and a sleek look, perfect for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. With stronger magnets, this case offers enhanced MagSafe strength. You can easily attach and detach MagSafe accessories without any hassle, making your life more convenient. This case boasts military-grade drop protection thanks to Spigen's air cushion technology. It provides excellent shock absorption, keeping your phone safe from accidental drops and impacts. Infused with blue resin, the case maintains long-lasting clarity. Say goodbye to yellowing and enjoy a crystal-clear view of your iPhone's design for a longer time. Raised edges around the screen and camera offer additional protection. You can place your phone face down without worrying about scratches or damage to the camera lens. In conclusion, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit case is a fantastic choice for iPhone 16 Pro Max users. It combines style, protection, and functionality. Number 2. The TAURI 5-in-1 case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's dive into its amazing features and see why it's a must-have. The TAURI case boasts 38 and 52 magnets, offering a magnetic strength of up to 18 N. This ensures seamless compatibility with all magnetic accessories and Qi-certified wireless chargers for faster, easier charging. Certified in drop tests, this case combines a soft frame and hard PC back cover with 4 corner airbags. It effectively absorbs impact, protecting your phone from drops, bumps, and scratches. This case includes 2 high-quality 9H tempered glass screen protectors and 2 camera lens protectors. They provide comprehensive protection without compromising touch sensitivity or photo quality. Made from high-grade Germany Bayer's ultra-clear TPU material, the case resists stains and sweat. It maintains its clarity over time, showcasing your phone's original beauty. At just 0.04 inches thick, the TAURI case offers a slim profile and comfortable grip. It's perfect for those who want protection without bulk. In conclusion, that's the TAURI 5-in-1 case for iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 1. The TOCOL 3-in-1 magnetic case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This case promises upgraded camera protection, MagSafe compatibility, and impressive drop protection. Let's dive in. This case offers enhanced magnetic charging with 18 N magnetic power, ensuring stable and fast charging even on bumpy roads. It's perfect for those who rely on MagSafe chargers. The camera protection is top-notch. The case features a built-in camera cover that's 0.8 mm higher than the lens, safeguarding it from scratches and bumps without compromising photo quality. With a semi-transparent matte finish and nano-oil repellent coating, this case feels silky and non-stick. The granular side frame design enhances grip, maintaining a sleek, ultra-thin profile. This case is exclusively designed for the iPhone 16 Pro Max 6.9-inch model. If you have any questions, TOCOL's professional support team is ready to assist you. In conclusion, the TOCOL 3-in-1 magnetic case is a fantastic choice for iPhone 16 Pro Max users. It combines style, protection, and functionality seamlessly. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.